Hi everyone, just wanted to go through one of my favourite Google tools here. It's the Google Keep app. Now it can be installed on any mobile device. It's this little yellow Keep light globe button here, and any of your devices that are signed into the same account will sync across all devices. So you can see here I've got a few little, they're like sticky notes I guess. And to take a note, all you need to do is click on it and give it a title, hello, and you can start taking notes. You can obviously see I've got some links in here. You can add pictures. If you want to find a picture from your computer, you can search for something there. We've got different coloured sticky notes, so depending on, you might want to colour code them for different subjects, you might want to colour code them for different topics. You can put reminders on them, so you can put something in here to remind you. So you might just put a COVID journal reminder on there, and tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning it's going to give me a reminder, so it'll automatically come up with a notification. When I've told it to remind me, I might want it to repeat daily to give me that reminder to do my COVID journal every day. Okay, in here we have a few additional options. We can add it. We can add a label. So you can see I've got a couple of labels over here. We can edit those labels, create new ones. If I just do, can't type, L for remote learning, and I've got a remote learning tag there. I've got no notes in that at the moment. Now that one that just popped down there, I might then add a label to it, add a label, tick the remote learning, and it's now got that label as well, so you can see that down here. Easy way to search for your different labels through doing that. You can also pin them, so that little thumbtack there helps pin them. So these are the most important ones that I've got sitting at the top here. Okay, so that's your Google Keep notepad, and it's a really helpful tool if you just want to collect things on the go. Screenshots are great to put in there as well, and you can save them and then use them in your Google Docs and other tools. Hope that helps. Bye.